Today I'm making a creamy roasted tomato soup that is simple, healthy, and packed with flavor. Roasting the veggies makes all the difference. Let's get started. I'm using ripe tomatoes, 1 yellow bell pepper, 4 shallots, and a whole head of garlic. Leave the garlic and shallots in their skins. It keeps them from burning and makes them much easier to peel later. Add olive oil and roast everything at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes, then broil for 5 minutes to caramelize the veggies and deepen their flavor. See how beautifully everything has caramelized. Those golden edges bring out the vegetables' natural sweetness and give the soup a richer taste. Once they're cool enough to handle, peel the tomatoes, squeeze the roasted garlic from its skins, and peel the shallots. Roasted garlic becomes sweet and mellow, adding wonderful flavor without overpowering the soup. And now season with salt, black pepper, lime pepper, and dried mint or basil. I also like adding a little fenugreek, but cumin works just as well. Blend everything until completely smooth. If you'd like a thinner soup, simply add a little bit of vegetable or chicken broth. And now add a little cream. It softens the acidity of the tomatoes and gives the soup a silky, velvety texture. Finish it with freshly chopped basil. Adding fresh herbs at the end keeps their bright flavor and beautiful color. I'm also adding a fresh mozzarella cheese, and this is completely optional. This soup is light enough for summer, comforting enough for winter, and perfect for a quick homemade meal at any time of the year. Serve it with homemade ciabatta or your favorite crusty bread, and enjoy every spoonful. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more easy homemade recipes every week. And thank you always for watching.